Linda Evanson. I live in Steilacoom, Washington, and this is my daughter.
I'm Leanne Evanson, and I live in Washington, D.C. And I ride because this was a challenge, a personal challenge for me. I ride my bike all over Washington, D.C., but I've never ridden anything close to this length, so it was sort of a personal challenge. I'm also riding for the Washington Area Bicyclists Association because I feel very strongly that getting more people comfortable on bikes, making bicycling more accessible to more people, is going to get more cars off the road and just make DC a more pleasant place to live with cleaner air and just people being happier, because there's nothing, I get no greater pleasure than being on a bike.
Well, I'm riding because Leanne came back to Washington for a visit, sat at a dinner table telling us about this ride, and I have two friends, and we always do something diabolical on our decade birthdays, and for one of the gals, it's her 70th year, so she challenged us, and so I get to do her challenge and support Leanne at the same time.